we're making a tofu dish, and for the tofu dish we use the firm tofu. You can buy it already diced tofu, but I like to get the whole and dice it myself. We have peanut butter, juice from a lemon, soy sauce, maple syrup, sesame oil, and some ginger. So I'm slicing my tofu, slicing it downwards, and then I'm going to slice it into half again. I'm going to take the thickness and slice it. So I've sliced it this way, and then I'm going to slice them into little cubes. You can do it this way, or you can slice it in little triangles too, if you'd like. This is going to be baked in the oven. So I'm going to take my peanut butter and all these items here that I've said, and I will write it up on the text. I'll write it on top so you'll see what the ingredients list. You'll see the ingredient list. So I'm going to take my peanut butter.
I'm hungry.
Put it in a mixing dish. Take soy sauce. We use the less sodium. We use the less sodium soy sauce. We're going to put some sesame oil. I'm going to eyeball this, but I am going to write the recipe for you above. Some maple syrup that goes well with the sweetness and the sourness. Lemon juice. And some of the ginger powder. And I'm going to mix this all up together. So I'm sort of forming a dressing where I will pour it over my tofu and bake it in a aluminum tray. Aluminum tray. So I'm going to mix this and I'll be back. This is the tofu dish just before it goes into the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Look at this dish. It came out very tasty. You can feel the peanutty, lemony, soy, ginger taste in it. It won't last long. Thank you for joining me.